Here's a little more close-up view of some of the features of the WorkPRO 3-drawer rolling tool storage cabinet. You can see it's got a really nice handle here, nice finish, good top tray, really nice slide out drawers. Again, you can fit pretty deep tools in these, and it has full length drawers, so you can access everything pretty easy. You can see some of the other WorkPRO tools I've got here that I'll do some videos on soon. Nice deep storage cabinet under. Lock that one here. You can lock the drawers here.